UNIT-1. Birds around us. Look and say, duck, sparrow, bulbul, crow, pigeon, hen, crane, eagle, parrot, owl, myna, peacock, quail, cuckoo, woodpecker. This is a peacock. This is a parrot, it is green. This is a crow, it is black. This is a parrot, it is brown. Hen, peacock, duck, sparrow, bat, parrot, and woodpecker. Crow is pluck, pluck, pluck. A woodpecker goes tap, tap, tap. A bulbul cares a cap, cap, cap. An owl takes a nap, nap, nap. A parrot can chut, chut, chut. And this sparrow run, run, run from the cat, cat, cat. A crow is pluck, pluck, pluck. A woodpecker goes. A parrot can chut, chut, chut. And this an owl takes a nap, nap, nap. A bulbul cares a cap, cap, cap. This is sparrow run, run, run. Hat, wet, rat, fat, mad, fat, cup, map, tap, luck, lump, nub, hat, pat, cat, mad, rat, van, tap, van, mat, cat, man, cap, cat, pat, tap, pan, fan, rat. This is a crow, it is black. This is a parrot, it is green. This is a hen, it is brown. This is a parrot, it is green. This is a crow, it is black. This is a sparrow, it is brown. A man sat on a mat. This is a tap. The cat gets a cap. The boy gets a pat. Rat, cat, van, cap, pat, fan, gas and have, want to pee. Many must, was very far. The bad king, the jungle gas tree and plants, it gas animals and bats. The lion is the king of the animals. The bats have no king. Jungle tree, we want a king. Woodpecker, pigeon, parrot, crane, duck, sparrow, hen, cuckoo, quail, bulbul. A king looks good. I have beautiful feathers. I have a lovely tail. I can peacock. A king is very clever. I am clever. I can do many things. I must be king. Crow. Owl. A king is wise. I am wise. I can see at night. I will be king. Myna. The birds have a race. All birds can fly. The bird king must fly the highest. The bird who can fly far in the sky. We will be the bird king. Eagle. That is a good idea. I can fly very high. Nobody can fly so high. The race begins. All the birds fly high into the sky. The eagle plays the highest and wins the race. Now the eagle is the king of birds. Crow, parrot, hen, eagle, crane, myna. I have beautiful feathers. Peacock, I am clever. Crow, I can see at night. Owl, beauty is baby sparrow lives in a nest in a tree. One day geese, mother sparrow gets out to get food. Tweety wants to go to the kiss. Mother sparrow jumps and falls out of the nest. Pune the cat see Tweety. Pune wants to catch him, but Arun see Pune and Tweety. Arun chases Pune ki begins up. Tweety, but the net is sky.